Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to search for a friend and add them to your Steam account. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see your game library and activity feed. Now, here's an important note before we proceed. You have two ways to add friends on Steam. You can either use their 9-digit friend code or search for them by their profile name. Both methods work effectively, so choose whichever is more convenient for you. Let's start with the friend code method. In the upper left corner of your screen, click on Friends. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Add a Friend. This action will take you to the friend search page where you can begin the process of connecting with other Steam users. Once you're on this page, you'll see a text field that says Enter Friend Code. Click directly on this text field to activate it. Then type in your friend's 9-digit Steam friend code. Make sure you enter all 9 digits accurately to ensure you're adding the correct person. After entering the code, you'll see your friend's profile appear on the screen. Right beside their name, click Send Invite to send them a friend request. However, there's something you should know. Steam requires that you spend at least $5 on the platform before you can add friends. This is a security measure to prevent spam accounts and protect the community. If you haven't met this requirement yet, you'll need to make a purchase first. Now, if you don't have your friend's code, don't worry, you can search for them by their profile name instead. Look for the section that says Enter your friend's profile name and click on the text field. Type in your friend's profile name exactly as it appears on their account, then press Enter on your keyboard. This will trigger Steam to search through its database and display matching results. Browse through the results that appear to locate your friend's profile. If you can't find your friend's username in the search results, it's likely because their profile is set to private. Private profiles don't show up in public searches, so you'll need to ask them to either share their friend code with you or adjust their privacy settings temporarily. If you do find your friend's profile in the results and want to add them, simply click Add as Friend right beside their name. This sends them a friend request, and once they accept it, you'll both be connected on Steam and can see each other's activity, join games together, and chat anytime. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to add friends on Steam using both the friend code and profile name search methods. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.